Hello everyone, I am
Hello.
Dayan Usmasubing Subing.
And I'm Benji Nicolas Abueva. And for today's video, we will be demonstrate on how to cut the chicken properly. So we will have sharp knife and chicken. So let's do it.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
With chicken breast side up, pull each leg away from body, then slice through skin between breast and drumstick.
Turn chicken on its side. Bend each leg back until thigh bone pops out of its socket. Cut through joint and skin to detach leg completely.
With chicken on its side, pull each wing away from body, cut through joint and remove wing. Lift up chicken and cut downward through rib cage and then shoulder joints to separate breast from back. Save back for stock.
Breast skin and split center bone using a chopping motion, then slice through meat and skin to separate into two pieces. To divide the legs, turn each skin side down and cut through joints along white fat line to separate thigh from drumstick.
This is the different cut of chicken: 2 drumsticks, 2 thighs, 2 wings, 2 breast, and 1 backbone, rib, and neck.
I hope you learned something.
Thank you for watching. Good day.